Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and we have some gain for $1.28 on Saturday the 20th. So to get these two to work, you're going to need your 5 off 25 and the 5 off 20 for gain, the two stack at non-updated stores, and that's $10 off of a $25 basket. This is on Saturday the 20th only. We're looking for old systems to get that double stack. At an older store, the cash registers actually have a keypad and your entire receipt is on one sheet of paper. At a new updated store, it's 3 receipts and the register is actually a touch screen. And at new systems, it's probably not going to work. Don't do this at the self-checkout, and double, triple check your pricing, as depending where you live in inflation, prices might be a little bit more or a little bit less. To answer one quick question about the quarter sale, I'm going to guess it's going to be on the 23rd, so next Tuesday. However, the memo should probably be coming out on the 19th, so we're going to see something legitimate, and once I get that information, I'll make another video for you guys. But basically, you would scan this next Tuesday morning. If it's ringing up a quarter, you are in business. Hey, deal number 1, you need your two best friends loaded, which is the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 20. So we're going to get at least $20 of gain merchandise and then something to fill up the rest of that basket to get us to that magical point at a non-updated store. We're going to be grabbing this guy for $15.95, or alternatively, you can grab the liquid. It is your choice. I think I might go with the liquid this weekend. I think that's what I'm going to do. You're going to load this $4 digital coupon, a super generous coupon, do love. And definitely scan everything in store. The second thing you're going to get is a Febreze product with the Gain logo on the packaging. Please pay attention to the details. So the small spaces, the air effect, it has to have that Gain logo, or alternatively my favorite, which is the wax melts. I always like to stock up on these. Older packaging. The new packaging is not attaching with the 5 off 20, so that could be trouble. So load this guy, which is a $3.30 off at 2. And the final item we're going to grab is one of these $4 Airwick Advanced plugs. I know there's a cheaper Airwick plug. I just could not find it at any stores I was at today. We have this $4 digital, making it a free item. Okay, guys, so here is the math. And remember, we're shopping on the 20th only, which is Saturday. I'm going to get one of the Gain flings for $15.95. 2 Febreze with Gain waxes for $6.50 in the old packaging, and then 1 Airwick plug for $4. The total here is $26.45. After the cashier is scanning my last item, that's where I'm going to punch into my phone number into the keypad. And then my 5 off 20 and 5 off 25 Dollar General coupons will come off, along with $11.30 in digital coupons that I showed you in the slides previous. $4 for the flings, $3.30 for the Febreze, and another $4 for the Airwick. You're left paying $5.15 plus tax for the 4 items, shaking it out to $1.28 per product. This right here is extreme couponing, and what couponing is all about. Okay, so the second dealio that we have, we need our two best friends loaded. That is the 5 off 25 and the 5 off 20. And for the millionth time, you're shopping on Saturday the 20th. We're going to grab one of these large jugs of the Gain detergent for $15.95. Have your $4 digital coupon loaded. Very important step. Have it loaded. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is grab 2 of the Air Effects with the Gain scent. So we're going to grab Moonlight Breeze, $3.25 a pop, so 2 of them is $6.50. Load this best friend, which is a $3.30 off a 2. This is an older coupon, so hopefully you still have it loaded. And then for $4, we're going to grab a Mr. Clean with Gain multi-surface cleaner for $4 on the nose, and we have a generous $2 coupon, so make sure you have this guy loaded. Okay, guys, here's the math for this, and remember, we're going shopping on Saturday the 20th. We have 1 Gain detergent for $15.95, 2 Febreze with Gain Air Effects for $6.50, and then 1 Mr. Clean with Gain for $4 for a total of $26.45. As the cashier's scanning the goods, that's when you punch in your phone number. 5 off 20, 5 off 25 will come off, along with $9.30 in digital manufacturer coupons. You're left with paying $7.15 for the 4 items, shaking it out to $1.78 per product, and that's a little something I called not too shabby. Stress it enough when you're out and about doing deals on Saturday to scan every barcode to ensure that the 5 off 20 is attaching to items in new packaging or the old packaging, just to make sure that this coupon attaches, or you'll be in a world of trouble. I did a couple transactions like this curved one I had issues with, so just be mindful to open up your Dollar General app, scan every barcode to ensure that the 5 off 20 is attaching. If not, it's a $5 mistake. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.